Hello everyone, my name is Choi Jong-ho and my lab is high-speed digital and optical communication systems. There are three kinds of things that we research: optical communication system and signal processing, and last microphotonic technology. There are the key thing that we research area. There's three kind of things. This is the UWB area. They research. There are two kinds of things. There's a landmine detection and breast cancer detection. In landmine detection, using antenna and some kind of instrument, and then we can detect the landmine under the ground. So under the ground, we can detect the landmine, and we can find the landmine and check the landmine, and we can get the image of the landmine, so we can find and remove the landmine. And the second thing is the breast cancer detection. Our body has a 70% that we have water, so we cannot detect easily when we have a tumor in our body. So, in that special case, in women, there's a breast, and there's a special kind of feature of the body, so we can detect easily when you have an inside of tumor. So we can check the tumor and find the tumor more easily, and we can